Hi guys, welcome to our new channel Online Help Earning. So guys, today I'm talking about how to create a CPA Grip account. Too many people don't know how to create a CPA Grip account. So today I show you easy way you can create CPA Grip account and you also earn more money from CPA Grip marketing. Okay, there have too many people earn money from CPA Grip. So see the CPAGrip dashboard and you can also withdraw very easy way. So guys, don't waste time. Also there are so many tools. Also CPAGrip also you can read about of CPAGrip marketing. Why CPAGrip marketing? CPAGrip in instantly the learning. Okay, so you can check everything. Also you can check the contract. You have any problem or anything, you can contact with manager or contact with email or Skype there have. So how about you have any question for free, you can contact him. So don't waste time, let's do it. How to create account? So first you need to search the Google CPA Grip. Okay, S A S P A G R I P grip. When you click the CPA grip, there is coming CPA grip account, signing account. So click there, then click there down CPA grip. When you click the CPA grip, coming this dashboard. When this one I before show you. Then after you click the register, click the register. When you click the register, wait few seconds. Then she come there. You need to give your first name, last name, who made this, postal code, Skype name, everything. Okay, so I write my first name. You write anything, company example. Click the link and copy the link and put there. You need to your website, then need to your address there. So guys, you add your details, everything there. Also you can add your Skype name. Also add, also there have your email. And there add your password. which one give. Okay, so this is the height. Check your time zone, everything. Ask the verification. Save. See guys, already I create my account. So check, I create already my account. So guys, very easy way you can create your account. Check there, you can also you can earn from there. So thanks for watching. I hope you understand how to create a CPA Grip account. This very easy and simple way I show you. You can create CPA Grip account, and also you uh, can earn more money from CPA Grip. Okay. So guys, I hope you understand everything how to get a CPAGrip account. I show you easy way and simple way, and you can earn also more money from CPAGrip. Every day you can earn money, and uh, you can also enjoy, and you can also withdraw very easy and simple way. So next video today I show you next video I show you how to earn money from CPA Grip easy way. So guys, whenever you come my new channel, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, share with your friends. I hope you enjoy this video, and please support us and share with your friends this video. So guys, don't waste time today, and this finish and come to very early new video just on the velveton. So